Experience the warm, comforting flavors of pumpkin curry paired with tender, flaky white fish. You'll need pumpkin coconut milk red curry paste, garlic, ginger, spices, and your favorite white fish like cod, haddock, or tilapia. Start by sautéing garlic and ginger until fragrant, then stir in red curry paste for a burst of flavor. Add diced pumpkin, coconut milk, and simmer until the pumpkin turns soft and golden. Place in the white fish fillets and let them gently poach in the fragrant curry. Top with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and serve with steamed rice or crusty bread. A beautiful balance of sweet, spicy, and savory. This is comfort food at its finest. Try this pumpkin curry with white fish tonight and fill your table with warmth and flavor. Get ready for a seafood pasta dish that's creamy, peppery, and downright irresistible, peppered shrimp Alfredo. Start with fresh shrimp peeled and deveined. Season generously with cracked black pepper salt and a touch of garlic powder for that bold flavor. Heat butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the shrimp for about 2 minutes per side until pink and perfectly tender. Remove and set aside. In the same skillet, add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream, stir in Parmesan cheese, and season with more pepper for that signature kick. Toss in cooked fettuccine coating every strand in creamy sauce. Add the shrimp back to the pan and stir gently until everything is heated through. Top with fresh parsley and an extra sprinkle of Parmesan. Serve immediately for the ultimate comfort food experience. Peppered shrimp Alfredo. Restaurant quality, ready in under 30 minutes. Try it tonight and taste the magic. Sweet, spicy, cheesy. This hot honey white pizza will change your pizza nights forever. Start with your favorite pizza dough stretched out to a perfect thin crust. Brush with olive oil, add a sprinkle of garlic for that irresistible aroma. Spread creamy ricotta on top with melty mozzarella and sharp provolone for rich cheesy goodness. Bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling to perfection. Now the magic. A drizzle of sweet, spicy hot honey for that bold flavor kick. Serve hot, share with friends, or keep it all to yourself. This is hot honey white pizza done right. Meet the sandwich that's tangy creamy and packed with flavor, the pickled egg salad sandwich. We start with perfectly boiled eggs chopped to create a rich and hearty base. Then comes the magic. Finely diced pickles for that refreshing tang and satisfying crunch. A creamy blend of mayonnaise, a hint of mustard, and just the right seasoning brings it all together. Layer it generously between slices of soft bread, add crisp lettuce, and you've got a sandwich worth savoring. Tangy, creamy, and absolutely delicious, this pickled egg salad sandwich is your new go-to lunch. Ready to upgrade your lunch? Let's make a classic corned beef special sandwich in just minutes. Start with thick slices of rye bread, then pile on tender, juicy corned beef, fresh from the deli or homemade. Add a layer of tangy sauerkraut and top it with Swiss cheese for that signature deli flavor. Spread some creamy Thousand Island dressing on the other slice of bread. This is what makes it special. Butter the outside, then grill it golden brown until the cheese melts and the bread is perfectly crisp. Look at that melty goodness. This is comfort food done right. Serve it hot with your favorite sides and enjoy every bite. Craving more comfort food like this? Tap the link or visit mysavorrecipes.com for more mouth-watering recipes and foodie favorites. Dinner doesn't get easier or tastier than this. Sheet pan fish tacos in just 20 minutes. Crispy baked fish zesty. Slaw and warm tortillas all cooked on one pan for a no mess, no stress dinner. Season white fish fillets with chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Place fish on a lined baking sheet, add sliced bell peppers and onions on the side. Bake 400 or 200°C for 12-15 minutes until flaky and tender. Mix shredded cabbage, lime juice, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of mayo or yogurt. Warm tortilla codfish top with slaw and finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. And there you have it, flavorful sheet pan fish tacos ready in no time. Try it this week and tag me when you do. Indulge in the ultimate comfort food, creamy, savory chicken fettuccine. Alfredo that's as rich in flavor as seed is easy to make. We start with tender strips of chicken breast seasoned to perfection, then seared until golden. Next, butter and garlic create the fragrant base for our silky Alfredo sauce. Heavy cream and fresh Parmesan blend together for that irresistible creamy texture. Finally, we toss al dente fettuccine with the sauce, adding the juicy chicken back in for the perfect finish. Serve it hot, sprinkle with fresh herbs, and savor every decadent bite of chicken fettuccine Alfredo.